Hi, I'm Cody with Xima. This tutorial will show you how to register and authenticate Xima CCaaS with Avaya Cloud Office. There is a prerequisite necessary before we get started, which is you must create a super admin account within Avaya Cloud Office or ACO for Xima CCaaS to register and connect with. That account, of course, has a username and password, and that will come in handy when we try to connect Xima CCaaS and authenticate Xima CCaaS with ACO. Let me show you how to do this. Go ahead and web to the URL for Xima CCaaS that's been provided to you. Naturally, you'll use the username and password that Xima provided to log into Xima CCaaS. When you're able to successfully log into Xima CCaaS, along the left-hand side is the navigation pane. Let me draw your attention to the Admin System dropdown. Go ahead and select Target Platform Configuration. When you do, this menu will appear, and you'll need to enter in the appropriate information on each line here. The SIP domain plus port number, the outbound proxy and port number, and if you have the Xima CCaaS UC real-time logging license, which basically enables all of the call recordings done at ACO to be available and visible to you inside of Xima CCaaS's cradle-to-grave interface. If you have that, go ahead and select Enable Recording. This is what I want to draw your attention to, the API authentication status. Most likely, and initially, for the very first time when you set Xima CCaaS up, this will say not authenticated. Don't worry, no problem. You want to hit your authenticate button, and this will take you to the RingCentral or ACO API authentication page. We're going to use this account right here. Yours would just look like this, and you'll want to type in that ACO super admin account that you created. Here's the username. I'm going to type this in. It's usually just an email address. We'll hit next, and then we'll put in the password associated with that ACO super admin account that you created. I'll type mine in and hit enter. This will present a screen. Xima CCaaS is requesting authorization to use the following. No problem. Go ahead and hit authorize. When you do, it'll send you back to Xima CCaaS and say, hey, we're good. And your API authentication status entry will now say authenticated. Go ahead and hit save down here at the bottom right. And when you do, it'll just confirm the changes. No problem. Say OK. And that's it. When you're done, you can hit save or exit out. And you have just successfully now authenticated Xima CCaaS with Avaya Cloud Office. Way to go.